My dear loving kids, let me first wish you a very happy Children's Day. 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day in India, but you also must be aware that 20th November is celebrated as Universal Children's Day all over the world, as it was declared by the United Nations. And why they celebrate it? Because they want to work for the rights of children, their health issues, their care, their education, their development, and so on. You must know, children, that there are so many children like you in this world who are not as lucky as you. They are unprivileged lot. And the worst thing is that 20,000 children die due to health and poverty every day. If you calculate it, it is per 30 seconds one child dies, and further every day, every minute 21 children die due to this issue. So 200 million children work as laborers. Child labor, you must have heard of. 80% of them suffer from child abuse, exploitation, punishment. 1 million are forced and sold as child laborers. There's a lot of child trafficking, child trading, and without their wishes they are being sold to somebody else. And you can imagine how they will be treated by the person whom they are not knowing at all. What I mean to say that you kids are most privileged ones, living in comfort, support, care, and getting all what you require. You are getting good education. You are under the safe shadow of your elders, whether it is your parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, and teachers. You are so much safe and secured. You must not forget the children who are not having all these privileges in their life. They don't deserve it? At least you can have some empathy for those kids who are not having these comforts in their life. They are also wanting to have fun in their life. So how can you help them? You can't do much for them since you people are kids. But once you grow, if you have that power in you, if you have that thing in you, you want to do something for others, for the kids, you must do something. But right now what you can do is do a little bit of charity. I'm sure you must be having some unused clothes, or the clothes which you are not wearing, or they have become short. There are some books which you must have read and they are lying in your homes. You may be having some toys which you are not playing with anymore. There may be some other items of yours at home which you feel that it is not of much use, but they can be of some use to others, for other kids. So what you can do is you can go do some community service on this day. So this will be the best Children's Day you have ever, because the kind of satisfaction, the happiness that you will get, it will be immense. It will be not compared to any other happiness which you have. And yes, this 14th also happens to be Diwali. all the more reason to share your happiness with others. And you know what? The whole country will be celebrating Children's Day by lighting diyas at their home. So wear new clothes, decorate your house and help your parents at home, but avoid burning firecrackers. It causes pollution, and amidst this pandemic, it's going to be really unsafe. So my dear kids, the school misses you a lot, and as you miss the school also misses you. The teachers are missing you. So we really look forward to see you in the school once the orders from the government are issued. Till then, have patience. The day is going to come when you are going to be with us in the school. Cooperate with your teachers, obey your parents, and they all love you a lot. And so do I. I miss you all. See you till then. Take care. Happy Children's Day. Happy Diwali. Namaste.